friends, today we're going to draw strawberries.
Yeah, for Mother's Day. And we hope you're really excited to follow along with us. This is a great lesson for Mother's Day. You could turn this into a homemade card.
Yeah, and write, "You're the very best mummy."
All right, you ready to draw some strawberries?
Yes.
Hey parents and teachers, if your kids are enjoying art with us, you'll really love our Art for Kids Hub membership. Watch our lessons ad-free and even download lessons for offline fun. It works on all of your devices, iPhone, Android, Mac, PC, Roku, and even Apple TV. Start your free trial today at artforkidshub.tv. We're first starting with our color marker and we're using kind of a pink red, but also remember you can use crayons or even colored pencils. This works great with that too.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna first draw the mom strawberry. We're gonna draw a shape. It's kind of pointed at the bottom, but then up at the top, curved. And it's just kind of a blob. An oval with a point down at the bottom. Yes, and then we're gonna draw a smaller one right next to it. This is for the baby or the kid strawberry. I might even make mine a little bit bigger. That's the nice thing about using the colors first, just like a pencil. You can change these lines if you want. Okay, now this part we're gonna fast forward and we're gonna color these in solid. But you can pause the video and take time to color in your two shapes also. Next, we're switching to our green marker and we're gonna add the little green spikes at the top for their hair. We're gonna draw a little, you don't have to draw it exactly like mine. But I'm gonna draw lots of, that's fancy hair.
Fancy hair.
And then I'm gonna draw smaller ones on the baby strawberry. And then we're gonna color this in too. So pause the video again and you can take that extra time. Don't worry about making these look exactly like mine. Yeah, that looks awesome. And now we're ready to switch to our black marker and we're gonna trace around all of the same shapes that we've already drawn. But what else do we need to add?
A fish.
A face, a funny face. Let's first draw around our strawberry shapes, just like we did at the beginning. So I'm gonna trace around. In this part, we're gonna go fast. Oh, you know what? This side, look at this. I'm gonna draw it overlapping so it's a little more 3D. So the kid strawberry is in front of the mama strawberry.
I'm making mine.
Oh, yours are separate.
Yeah.
I like how your mom's strawberry is tall.
It's tall.
It's really tall.
I can color that in.
No, it looks good. And then let's trace around the little leaves. All right, now let's draw the funny faces. I'm gonna draw a really happy smile for the mom. And then for the eyes, I'm gonna draw them closed. So I'm gonna draw upside down letter U's or rainbow lines, and also eyelashes. Oh, I love that you're drawing the mouth open. I'm gonna do that too on this one. I'm gonna draw a really happy open mouth. And also closed eyes.
What did I just do?
Oh, I like it. I like that you're changing yours. I'm gonna change mine too. Look, I'm gonna make these open, these eyes open. I think we should fast forward one more time and we're gonna add a few extra things. And we did it! We finished coloring our mom and baby strawberry and it turned out awesome. The very best mom.
The very best mom.
We added little heart and also a shadow to make it more 3D.
And we used a yellow paint marker for the seeds.
Yeah, but you could leave that off if you want to. You could also add an entire background. Lots of strawberries.
Strawberries. Maybe your whole family too. We hope you had a lot of fun drawing with us.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.